Hello Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kumusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mga potential energies ninyo surrounding you in 2024 from January through December. No, titignan lang natin dito yung pinakamalakas na potential energy that might surround you in 2024. So parang silip lang natin ito sa taong 2024. So magpupulang ako ng isang card po for each month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Ayan, Aquarius. Tignan natin. From January, we have the Tower energy. Ayan. Pagpasok pa lang ng taon na January, meron na dito mga pagbabago agad. No? Merong pagbabago agad na sasalubong sa inyo dito. But this is pagbabago na maaaring hindi ninyo napaghandaan. Hindi ninyo mapagpaplanuhan ito because this is a surprise from the universe. No? This is the universe intervening in your circumstances dito. These are the things na surprising na mangyayari sa iyo na need to happen, no? It's about time na. It's divine timing, no? At talagang mangyayari ang dapat mangyari dito, no? This is pagbabago na may hatid na surprise element sa inyo. And kung saan man kayo dadalhin ng event na to, Aquarius, this is where you need to be at this time, no? Due time na para makapunta ka na sa ganitong sitwasyon, to be in this place, to be in this situation sa buhay ninyo. And kung saan man kayo dito dadalhin ng divine universe, this is going to be in alignment with your destiny. Ito na yon. This is your destiny, na lugar, na sitwasyon na pupuntahan ninyo in January. In February naman, we have High Priestess energy. Napakaganda kasi patuloy kayong ginagabayan ng Panginoon, ng iyong mga angels, ng iyong spirit guides. Lagi kayong may gabay, Kaya iniimbitahan kayo dito ni High Priestess to make sure, na you always listen and follow what your intuition is telling you. Okay? Kasi laging maraming gabay, may mga downloads na pinapadala sa inyo ang spirit realm, and maaring hindi ninyo yan napipick up, maaring hindi ninyo yan na pinapakinggan or naririnig talaga, Kaya this is a reminder for you, come February, make sure na talagang makinig kayo. Make sure that you make time to listen to your intuition, okay? So, in March, we have Six of Swords. Ayan, so this is really beautiful, really beautiful. You are choosing life now. You are choosing life. You're choosing your happiness, your peace, Kasi parang napagod na kayo dito sa naging sitwasyon ninyo sa mga nakaraan, Aquarius, this is you going to move towards calmer waters, Kasi maaaring kung nasaan kayo, maaaring around of the rest of the yung January or February, maaaring mayroon kayong sitwasyon dyan na medyo hindi na healthy para sa inyo, parang hindi na maganda ang inyong sitwasyon, or maybe end of the year, may mga sitwasyon kayo na feeling ninyo mabigat na, hindi na, alam mo yun, yung hindi na kayo masaya, hindi na kayo feeling safe or masaya or contented sa sitwasyon ninyo. That's why, in February, maaring yung mga gabay sa inyo na yan is linked dito sa dapat na pag-move on ninyo sa buhay, which is going to happen around March, It might happen around March if this message resonates with you, So take it. If not, then leave it. That's not for you, So dito sa Six of Swords, this is you moving on. Sa kung saan man kayo manggagaling, wherein unhealthy na ang inyong sitwasyon, hindi na kayo masaya dyan. That is no longer your situation na gusto ninyong kabilangan, It could be anything. It could be in any area of life. Pamilya, relationship, trabaho, career. It could be anything, But where you are heading dito, papunta kayo doon sa sitwasyon na magiging masaya kayo, contented, peaceful, yung gano'n, So there may be travel for some of you dito. Literal na travel, no? Na talagang babiyahe kayo. So good luck to that. In April, meron tayong the sun energy. See, magsisimula na talagang mabalot ng liwanag ang buhay ninyo after na makapag-move on kayo sa buhay ninyo. Look at that. Umalis kayo dito sa troubled waters. You headed towards calmer waters. Pinili ninyo maging masaya, maganda ang buhay, maging safe kayo, maging matahimik ang pakiramdam ninyo. And here you go, no? Sinasang-ayunan kayo at sinusuportahan kayo ng Divine Universe dito. So, kaya naman pagpasok ng April, ang ganda ng inyong sitwasyon. Ang ganda na ng pamumuhay ninyo dito. You are going to be surrounded with light, no? As in, talagang magliliwanag ang buhay ninyo. Totally, parang makaka-recover na kayo from the pain or from the baggages, no? Emotional baggages na binitbit ninyo from Six of Swords energy, no? So, in April, mukhang masusolve na mga problema ninyo totally. Mawawala na talaga, malilinis ng inyong kalooban, mawawala na yung mga bagahe ninyo sa dibdib, yung mga iniisip ninyo, mga nagpapa-worry sa inyo, it might fade away na talaga. As in, liwanag na lang ang makikita ninyo, mararamdaman ninyo. You're going to be feeling energetic. You're going to be feeling enthusiastic, optimistic, and talagang magiging magaan lang, energized, no? Ang pakiramdam ninyo in April. This is also about success, no? Aquarius, this is also about material success, financial success, at success ninyo, victory from your problems na maaring pinagdaanan ninyo in the past, maaring masolusyonan nyo na yan talaga in April. So, come May, napakaganda. Paganda ng paganda ang energy ninyo dito, Aquarius. This is really exciting, no? 2024, 10 of Cups. So, dumaan na to sa 9 of Cups, which is the wish fulfillment energy. So, maaaring in between May and June, between April and May, maaring meron ditong wish kayo na magka-come to fruition. Maaring meron kayong makukuha dito na pangarap ninyo siguro na matutupad or wish ninyo na matutupad, no? Kaya pagdating ng May, talagang sobrang saya na kayo, no? Sobrang masayang-masaya kayo. So, yung energy ni Sun ay madadala ninyo yan hanggang May, no? Talagang magiging vibrant, energetic, masaya, no? Joyful kayo talaga sa mga period na ito, no? This is also happy family, no? Yung 10 of Cups is also domestic bliss. Masaya ang pamilya. Hindi lang kayo magtatagumpay, but also the whole family is going to experience that your happiness, your tagumpay will be their tagumpay as well. Aquarius, no? So, you're going to be very happy. Maaring yung wish ninyo na magka-come to fruition dito is a family wish. Maaring ganun. Or maybe that is a wish, your wish for your family, no? Siguro ang magka-come to fruition. Kaya buong pamilya magiging masaya na dito, no? It's going to be harmonious relationship with each other. It's going to be yung kung ano mga pangangailangan ninyo, and even yung mga wants ninyo ay maaring ma-experience ninyo or maaring mahawakan ninyo, ma-enjoy ninyo, no? Around May. So, come June, Queen of Swords. Ayan. So, you're going to be very, intuitive, no? Sensitive dito around June. Maaring may mga impormasyon dito na talagang gusto ninyong malaman. Maybe you are also going to be very curious about something dito, no? Maybe manggagaling ang mga impormasyon na yan na gusto ninyong makuha, matutunan from the people around you, or maybe coming from deep within you, no? Maybe coming from your intuition, no? So, maaring ganun din ang ganap dito for some of you. In terms of communication also, this is very important na maging direct to the point kayo when you are communicating with other people. Maaring may mga job interviews dyan, maaring may mga important negotiations, transactions, no? Pag-uusap na gagawin kayo around June, at ang ang advice sa inyo ni Queen of Swords is for you to be straightforward kayong magsalita, no? Express yourself, express your truth, no? Maging malinaw and efficient and effective communicator kayo, because that could be the key sa pagtagumpay ng kung ano man ang pakikipag-usap na gagawin ninyo dyan. In July, we have the star energy. Alam mo, napakaganda talaga, Aquarius, ng walang humpay ang ganda ng energies na pumapasok sa inyo dito in 2024. We have the Sun, we have 10 of Cups, we have the star energy. This is another wish fulfillment energy. So, maaaring marami talaga kayong mga wishes na magka-come to fruition in 2024. So, napakaswerte ninyo dito, no? Sa mga cards na to, napakaswerte ninyo. You are going to be very, victorious talaga in a way. Kasi, 'di ba, yung mga wishes ninyo is coming to fruition. Makakaalis na kayo, masusolve na ang mga problema ninyo. Makakaalis na kayo sa mga mabibigat na sitwasyon. And dito, no, maaring in the past talaga manggagaling kayo or nanggagaling kayo sa masalimuot na sitwasyon ninyo sa buhay, magulo, siguro problemado, maaring nandun kayo nanggagaling na sitwasyon. And come July, no, talagang bibiyayaan kayo dito ng Divine Universe. Nakita ng Divine Universe dito kung paano kayo nagtiyaga, kung paano kayo nagsikap, kung paano kayo kumapit sa hope and faith ninyo that everything will fall into its right place, everything will change for the better. And tignan ninyo, na-solve ninyo ang problema, nalampasan ninyo ang mga challenges, hindi kayo sumuko, kaya you are being given here new life, no? This is new life. There is new blessings coming in sa inyo. There is new hope dito na binibigay sa inyo. Mas lalong malakas na ang inyong loob dito. Mas matatag na kayo. Mas resilient na kayo. Kaya naman, talagang binibiyayaan kayo dito ng isang magandang sitwasyon, no? Meron ditong bagong path, new opportunities and possibilities that are coming your way around July, no? Parang yun ang ibibigay sa inyong regalo ng Divine Universe for being so resilient, at talagang yung hope and faith ninyo mas lalong lumakas dito, mas lalo ninyong pinalakas dahil sa mga pinagdaanan ninyo sa buhay, no? So, another wish, no, ang maaaring mag-come to fruition din dito sa star energy. This could also be healing, no? Kung meron kayong mga, let's say, for example, physical ailments or maybe emotional pain na pinagdadaanan, no, in the past, no, maaaring mag-heal na din yan. Maaaring makaramdam na din kayo ng pag-improve ng inyong mga pakiramdam dito around July. So, in August, napakaganda. No? Queen of Pentacles, this is wealth. This is prosperity in abundance, financial success na maaaring dumating sa inyo, Aquarius, in August. Bonggang-bongga talaga ang 2024 ninyo dito sa mga cards na to, no? So, Queen of Pentacles is something also, is an energy, beautiful energy that is really good when it comes to family, when it comes to relationships, and when it comes to money, no? Money, career, and finances. Maaring may mga dito, offers of new trabaho, of new source of income, additional source of income, business venture, or career opportunities ang maaring dumating sa inyo, na yung mga opportunities na yan will bring forth financial success sa inyo, will bring forth prosperity and abundance into your life, no, Aquarius? So, napakaganda pagdating sa pangkaperahan. So, in September, we have 2 of Cups. Ayan, this is partnership. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo is going to grab an opportunity dito for business venture, no, in August. And in September, maaring magdi-discuss kayo with another person na maging partner ninyo, or maging partner kayo sa negosyo, maaring ganun, or sa isang proyekto, maaari din ganun. For others of you naman, if you are single, maybe you are entering a new love and romantic relationship in September, no? Aquarius, maaring ganun din ang ganap. But definitely, dahil iba-iba naman tayo ng sitwasyon, this could be partnership in different areas, no? Maaring bagong kaibigan, makikilala ninyo, maaring you're going to build a new friendship, no? Maari din ganon. So, we have October, and the full energy. Napakaganda. Tuloy-tuloy papunta tayo sa December. Sobrang busy kayo. Sobrang dami ninyong gagawin dito. Ang dami ninyong aasikasuhin. And dito, no, mas magiging matatag na talaga ang inyong kalooban dito. Pinatatag na talaga kayo ng mga problemang pinagdaanan ninyo dito, Aquarius. At yung hope ninyo at ang faith ninyo talagang sobrang tatag na din, ano. Kaya in October, may mga bagay dito na papasukin kayo, no, na bago para sa inyo. This is new beginning energy. Kaya may mga sisimulan kayo ditong mga bagay-bagay, endeavor, or kahit ano pa man dyan, ano, na hindi pa ninyo ever nagawa before, hindi pa ninyo nasubukan before. So, this is totally new for you. This is uncharted territory for you, Aquarius, na susubukan ninyong gawin or pasukin around October. But kahit ganun pa man ang sitwasyon, there is excitement dito, no? There is excitement at nagtitiwala kayo dito sa Panginoon na nagagabayan kayo ng iyong spirit team. Kaya kahit hindi pa ninyo ito nasubukan before, papasukin nyo ang sitwasyon na to, no? Sisimulan ninyo ito dahil you are trusting also your capabilities, you're trusting yourself, you're believing in yourself, and most importantly, you are trusting God, no? Natutulungan kayo dito. So, sasamahan kayo. In November, we have 10 of Pentacles. Napakaganda, napakaganda. This is about family, no? Nakikita ko dito, talagang siguro focused kayo on family. Mahal na mahal ninyo ang inyong pamilya. Maaring your priority above anything else or above anyone else is your family, no? Dito sa 10 of Pentacles, this is about family again, no? This could be also about wealth, no? This is you providing support, no? Financial support sa inyong pamilya. Maaari talaga, no, na ano na kayo, let's say for example, nakapag-ipon na talaga kayo ng for financial future ninyo. Maaaring nakapag-establish na kayo, no, around this time ng pangkaperahan ninyo that you can provide for your family for the long term, no? Maaaring meron na kayo ditong established financial security and stability talaga, no? Not only for few months, for few years, but for many years. Maaaring may ganong sitwasyon na kayo dito. Maaari din naman ang iba sa inyo dito is still working on it. Nag-iipon, nagsisikap kayo para sa kapakanan ng inyong pamilya, para makapag-provide kayo ng pangangailangan ng inyong pamilya for the long term, no? Maaring ganon ang ganap. This is also about inheritance, family legacy, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito, maaring makuha nyo na yung mga mana ninyo, or maybe around this time you will be discussing about your mga mana, no, ng magkakapatid, ng pamilya ninyo. Maaring dito ninyo malaman na meron pala kayong mamanahin, ano? Maaring ganon din ang sitwasyon. So, kanina pa pinapakita sa akin ng guides ko yung dalawang 10. So, we have 10 of Cups and we have 10 of Pentacles. So, this is synchronicity here, Aquarius. So, please look up for the meaning of 1010. That is an angel number 1010 for more guidance po. Okay? So, we have Knight of Cups. Ayan. So, time to fall in love, no? Ang iba sa inyo talaga dito is going to be falling in love then towards the end of the year. Ang iba sa inyo dito na hindi nakapasok sa partnership dito sa Two of Cups energy, maaring in December, doon pa lang siguro merong manliligaw sa inyo, or maaring dito nyo palang maglalakas loob siguro dito yung gustong manligaw sa inyo. Maaring yun ang sitwasyon dito for some of you. Maari din naman na magdi-date na kayo around December, no? Yun ang napipick up ko dito. For others of you, talagang definitely there is an offer of love. Maaring meron ditong straightforward na mag-ask sa inyo inyo to go out on a date, or maaaring mag-ask sa inyo dito na maging girlfriend nila, no? Or maaaring maging boyfriend nila, you know. That could be also the situation in December. So good luck, Aquarius, and that's all I have for you for 2024. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.